cabinet, replace that one piece of flooring there, and move the heat vent under the cabinet, and have it come up the side or out the front. I'm gonna build an upper cabinet there, an upper cabinet there, and an upper cabinet there, and then a full cabinet around the fridge. But in order to get an idea of how many sheets of plywood I need, I kind of just need to sketch these cabinets out. I'm not a cabinet guy, but I need to optimize the amount of waste that I'm gonna be using on this job. I'm getting 4 sheets of plywood, some hinges, and some saw blades. I might get a router bit as well.
How long do you think it's going to take you to build the shelves?
Oh, today and tomorrow. Probably take me all weekend. Look at this piece of wood. This one piece is like $700.
Whoa. What kind of wood is that?
Purple Heart.
That's what it's called?
Yeah, Purple Heart. Here, you want to see something else that's really cool? Where was it? Is it this one here? No, that one. Where was it? Oh yeah, feel how heavy that is.
Ooh! I can't even
Or like
lift
this
it.
one.
Why is it so heavy?
Oh my god. I have no idea. That is heavier. That's called Jatoba. I have no idea what that means.